Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set A IMO question paper for class 1 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO, IMO and IGKO question papers for class 1 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad class 1 to get these question papers. First, I will show you the full question paper. You try to solve it on your own. I will attach the answer key at the end of this video. After reading the questions, you please pause the video and take your own time to answer the questions. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. Identify the pattern followed in the given figure pattern. Look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. The given options are shape pattern, color pattern, growing pattern and repeating pattern. The answer is C, growing pattern, because here the number of circles increases, so it is growing pattern. 2. Select the odd one out. You look at the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. The answer is D, O, because the letter O is made up of curved line, but these three are made up of only straight lines. 3. The candle is kept dash the birthday cake. You look at the given picture. The candle is given here, on, above, under, below. The answer is A, on. The candle is kept on the birthday cake. 4. There are dash more circles than triangles in the adjoining figure. This is the given figure. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So here our question is, there are dash more circles than triangles. So first we have to find out the number of circles and triangles. And here than is the keyword if they compared any two objects. Okay, we have to do the subtraction operation. Here the word given is more. Okay, so if it's less means also we have to do the subtraction operation. Here if we count the circles, it is equal to 9. So number of circles equal to 9. If we count the number of triangles, that also equal to 9. So here we have to do the subtraction operation. 9 minus 9 is 0. So the answer is A, 0. 5. Which of the following letters is second from the left end in the given word? This is the given word. You try to find out the answer. And in this question, this is right hand. So this is our left hand. So we have to find second letter from the left end. So this is our left hand. First, second. So answer is L. So answer is B, L. 6. Which number will complete the given number pattern? You look at the given number pattern and try to find out the answer. And here the number pattern shows the 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So 5 fives are 25. So A, 25. 7. Dash is taller than Siddharth but shorter than Latika. You look at the given picture. and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to mark Sidak and Latika. Sidak is here and Latika is here. Das is taller than Sidak. So these three are taller than Sidak, but shorter than Latika means Shanchi. Okay. So the answer is C, Shanchi. 8. Which shape is not present in the given figure? We look at the given figure and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. Rectangle, rectangle is here. Square, there is no square. So the answer is B. Triangle is given here and circle is here. Okay. So the answer is B, square. 9. Arrange the following activities in the order in which they should be followed during a day. Look at the given 4 pictures carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is C. 10. If Amit's birthday falls on 4th Wednesday of September 2000XX, then on which date will he celebrate his birthday? This is the given calendar, and calendar problem is a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to mark the 4th Wednesday. So this is Wednesday, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. So 4th Wednesday is 28th September. So the answer is C, 28th September. Next topic is mathematical reasoning 11. Which of the following colored parts gives the answer greater than 20? You look at the given picture and you find the answer for the given 4 additions. Then you mark the answer. First we will start from the green part. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. Our question is the answer greater than 20. 22 is greater than 20. So the answer is green. So B, green. 12. Which of the following options is correct? We try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. First option A, 14 minus 3 is 11. Okay. So but the answer is 1. So this is wrong. And 9 minus 0 is 9. But the answer is 0. So this also wrong. 12 minus 12 is 0. So the answer is also 0. So C is the answer. 13. This shows dash. Look at the number line carefully and try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? And in this picture, this is called forward arrow and this is called backward arrow. Okay. First we will consider this one. And here its starting point is 0 and its ending point is 8. Okay. So you first write this 8. That means we move 8 steps in forward direction. Okay. Next we have to move how many steps? This is 1 step and this is second step. 1, 2. 2 steps in backward direction. So in backward directions means in reverse direction. So you put negative for reverse direction. Then you write the how many steps here? 2 steps. You write the number 2. Okay. After moving 2 steps backward, we get the answer 6. That is equal to 6. So our answer is C, 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 14. How many stones are there in the given figure? This is the given figure. you try to find out the number of stones. So if we count, we get 17. So the answer is B, 17. 15. How many paper clips are needed to measure 5 such pens? You look at the given picture and try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? First, we have to count the number of clips for one pen. So if we count, one pen equal to 10 clips. So 5 pens means 5 into 10 clips. That is equal to 50. So the answer is A, 50. 16. Which abacus shows 1 more than 76? You try to find out the answer. And here 1 more than 76 means we have to add this 1 to 76. So 76 plus 1 is equal to 77. So this is 1's place value, this is 10's place value, and both values are same, 7. Which abacus has equal number of beads in both 1's and 10's place? This one. Okay. So B is the answer. Otherwise, you count the number of beads in 1's place and 10's place to find the answer. Okay. 17. Select the correct match. So try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check from options A. Okay. So we have to add all three values. Okay. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 5 is 105. 100 plus 50 is 150. And here 105 is greater than 150. So this is wrong. Likewise, we have to check the other three options. If we add these three, we get 200. If we add these two, we get 200. 200 equal to 200. This is the correct one. So B is the correct answer. No need to check further. Okay. 18. How many more flowers should be crossed to show the given subtraction sentence? 22 minus 16. Look at the given picture and you try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. How to do this problem? And here the given subtraction statement is 22 minus 16. And here 22 is the total number of flowers and 16 is the number of crossed flowers. Okay, so our question is how many more flowers should be crossed? So first we have to count the number of crossed flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, 15, 16. So we have to cross 2 more flowers. So the answer is C, 2. 19. Arrange the given balloons in ascending order. You look at the given balloons and try to find out the answer. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. Which is the smallest number here? 26. R is the smallest number. So our first answer is R. So in the given option, A has R first and B, P. So wrong. C, yes, wrong. D, yes, wrong. So the correct answer is A. 20. Which of the following options will balance the given scale? Look at the given picture and try to find out the answer. This is also a repeatedly asked question. How to do the problem? So to find the answer, first we have to add all the given weights. Okay. So if we add all the given weights, we get 15. So which option has 15? Option B has 15 kilogram. So the answer is B. Next topic is Everyday Mathematics 21. Priya's weight is 5 kg more than the weight of Nitika. If Nitika's weight is 53 kg, then find the weight of Priya. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? And here Priya's weight is 5 kg more than weight of Nitika. We know the weight of Nitika, that is 53. So we have to add 53 and 5. Okay. So if we add, we get 58. So the answer is A, 58 kg. 22. If Rajiv removes 4 bottles from the given bottles, then the remaining number of bottles will be. So this is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to remove 4 bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you count the remaining bottles. So if we count, we get 24. So the answer is D, 24. 23. Samaksh had 12 toffees. His mother gave him 6 more toffees. How many toffees does he have now? This is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So here they have given 6 more toffees. That means we have to add this 12 and 6, okay, to get the answer. So if we add, we get 18. So the answer is A, 18. 24. There were 12 birds sitting on the branch of a tree. How many flew away if 4 birds are left on the branch? Look at the given picture, and this is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. And here our question is, how many flew away if 4 birds are left? So we have only 4 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the left out one. So we have to remove the other birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 birds flew away. So the answer is C, 8. 25. The lengths of Sam's and Trishu's pencils are shown here. Find the total length of their pencils. Here, one clip equal to 1 unit. Look at the given picture and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to find out the length of Sam's and Trishu's pencil. Okay. So Trishu's pencil is 7 units and Sam's pencil is 6 units. Okay. Our question is total length of their pencils. That means we have to add these two values. So the answer is 13. So the answer is D, 13 units. 26. Bunny sells 4 oranges on Monday and 5 oranges on Tuesday. Nidhi sells 12 oranges on Monday and 5 oranges on Tuesday. How many oranges do they sell all together on Monday? This is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. And here all together is the keyword for addition operation. And our question is, how many oranges do they sell all together on Monday? So we have to add the number of oranges sold on Monday only. Okay. So we have to add 4 and 12 only. So if we add, we get 16. So the answer is A, 16. 27. Manya has rupees 90. Which of the following things can she buy if she spends all her money? Look at the given 4 options and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we will check the options one by one. We will start from option A. Okay, 40 plus 20 is equal to 60. 60 is not equal to 90. So this is wrong. And 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. 70 is not equal to 90. So this also wrong. Next, 70 plus 20 is equal to 90. 90 is equal to 90. So C is the answer. 28. Rinky wants to tie the given crayons in groups of 4. How many equal groups can be formed? Look at the given picture. This is also a repeatedly asked question. Try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, we have to group the crayons into 4. Okay. If we group the crayons, we get 5 groups. So the answer is A, 5. 29. Minnie bought 16 books. Kowlin bought 48 books. How many less books did Minnie buy than Kowlin? This is also a repeatedly asked question. We try to find out the answer. And here, less is the keyword for subtraction operation. Okay. So to find the answer, we have to subtract 16 from 48. So if we subtract, we get 32. So the answer is D, 32. 30. Aman scored 16 runs. Mihir scored 12 runs more than Aman. How many runs did they score all together? This is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. And here all together is the keyword for addition operation. So we have to add score of Aman and score of Mihir. We know the score of Aman, but we don't know the score of Mihir. But we can find the score of Mihir because Mihir scored 12 runs more than Aman. So Mihir's score is equal to 12 plus Aman's score. Aman's score is 16. So Mihir's score is equal to 12 plus 16. So 12 plus 16 is 28. This is Mihir score. Okay. Now we add this 28 and this 16. We get 44. So the answer is D, 44. Next topic is Achievers section. 31. Select the correct statement. You read the given fourth statement. Look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. So to find the answer, first we have to count the number of apples for 4 persons. Okay. First I am going to check the option A. The difference between the number of apples of Riti and Ritu is 8. Okay. So to find this answer, first I have to count the number of apples for Riti and Ritu. Okay. And this is 17. This is 9. Now we have to find the difference. That means we have to subtract 9 from 17. So the answer is 8. So this is the correct statement. So answer A is correct. No need to check further. Okay. 32. Mohit had 20 candies. He gave 10 candies to Samarth and ate 4 candies. How many candies are left with him now? This is also a repeatedly asked question. You try to find out the answer. How to do this problem in an easy way? So this is the total number of candies. He gave 10 candies to Samarth. So first I am going to remove 10 candies from this. Okay. Now I have removed 10 candies. Next, 4 candies. Now I remove these 4 candies. Okay. So now I removed 4 candies. Now I have to count the remaining candies. This is our answer. So our answer is 6. A, 6. 33. One teddy bear costs rupees 30. How many such teddy bears can Trishika buy for rupees 100? Try to find out the answer. How to do this problem? So to find the answer, we have to check the options one by one. So first we have to multiply this 30 and this 5. So that value should be equal to 100 or nearer to 100. It should not be greater than 100. Okay. So if we multiply 30 and 5, 3 5s are 15. Then you put this 0. That is equal to 150. This is greater than 100. So this is wrong answer. Next we have to multiply 30 and 3. 3 3s are 9. Then you put this 0. This is less than 100. At the same time, it's nearer to 100. So B is the correct answer. Okay. 34. Match the following column 1, column 2. Try to find out the answer. So in this problem, in column 2, all the ones place value are equal to 7. Okay. So no need to check the ones place value. We have to check the tens place value only for all the options. Okay. First we will check option A. So here tens place value is 3 and here tens place value is 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So in option yes, the tens place value is equal to 8. So A is yes. Okay. And in option A is Q. Wrong. B, A is yes. This may be the answer. In C, A equal to yes. So this may be the answer. D, A equal to Q. This is wrong. Okay. And the next answer BQ, next answer BR. So it's both are different. So we will check B. And here tens place value is 1. Here tens place value is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So in R, tens place value is 3. So B is R. Okay. And in B, B is R. So this is the correct answer. In C, B is Q. So C is the wrong answer. 35. Fill in the blanks. Bird 1 is before the bird Q. Bird 2 is after the bird R. And bird R is 3 the bird S. So this is the given pictures. Try to find out the answer. It's an interesting problem. And here our first question is bird 1 is before the bird Q. So bird Q before bird is P. So answer 1 is P. B, P and C, P. So these two are wrong. Okay. And for answer 2, both has same answer yes. So no need to check the second one. We are going to check third option. Okay. Third question is or bird or is 3. The bird yes. So or is dash S means before or after. Or is before yes. So the answer is C, before. Or is before yes. So my dear students, today we have completed 2016 Set A IMO question paper for class 1 students. If you have any doubts, you please write it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.